do we know if our students are really learning? Too often, teachers assume that if they're teaching, their students must be learning, only to find out later that they didn't retain anything. Here are some tips on how to use informal testing to effectively verify that your students are actually learning the material and not just nodding their heads every time you ask if they understand. To many people, testing means a scary final exam at the end of a semester or school year. However, experienced teachers know that it's good practice to use shorter, informal tests on a regular basis. For example, you might give weekly quizzes to test all of the material you covered that week, or at the end of a reading lesson to check understanding of new vocabulary. Basically, any time new language is acquired is a good time to test. Tests can be as simple as this matching worksheet I made for time expressions, but you could also use true-false questions, multiple choice, fill in the blank, or error recognition. When testing frequently, it's good to vary the type of tests and questions you give so that it doesn't become monotonous. Here's an example of how I test my students every time we've learned new vocabulary. Okay, class, now we're going to practice our time expressions. So please work by yourself and match the appropriate time to the clock. Continuous assessment not only tells you, the teacher, what your class knows and doesn't know, but it also gives the students a sense of accomplishment. Is everyone finished?
Yes.
Yes.
How was the worksheet?
It was easy.
Fine,
Good.
yeah.
Yes, not bad.
Good. Nicholas, can you please tell us the first one?
It's 5 to 7.
Is that right, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Great, thank you. Nicole, how about the second one?
And with you, it's 10 after 8.
Did everyone get that?
Yes.
Good. Stephanie, how about the third one?
Third one is, it's 20 after 8.
Is that correct, class?
Yes.
Peter, how about the fourth one?
It's 8:35.
Did everyone get that?
Yes.
Very good. Juhei, how about the fifth one?
It's 8:30.
Is that correct, class?
Yes.
Yes. Here are some guidelines for making your own test. Decide what kind of test it is going to be. Is it an achievement or proficiency test? Write a list of what the test is going to cover. Think about the length, layout, and the format. Weight the sections or questions according to importance or time required. Write the questions. Write clear instructions with examples. Make an answer key. Write a marking scheme for less objective questions like essays. Pilot the test. Ask a fellow teacher to take it and check for typos or potential problems. Review and revise the test and key. And here's one more tip. Rather than making them yourself, use online quiz generators to incorporate regular testing into your class and minimize prep time.